Man, this is Balot.
Wait, where's the salt?
You need salt on
I need
this?
salt again.
How do you open this?
You just peel the egg. Just peel it off. Peel it. Wait.
Shoot. That's it? Then you drink it?
And then you're supposed to poke a hole right there.
Right
Because
here?
there's like skin thingy. It's not skin, but... What is it called?
Just let him drink it.
Right there.
Is that it?
Yeah, and then drink it.
Yeah.
I'm making one.
Oh my gosh.
Dude, it's good.
It's
Trust
good
me.
though.
Okay.
Imagine
You're
how
gonna get addicted.
Here you go.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Yeah.
Wait, I got shot.
Yeah.
I got some shot on my lip. Oh.
You're supposed to peel it more.
Oh, more?
Yeah.
Oh.
There. Stop.
Yeah. Now go.
Drink it, drink it.
I saw it earlier.
somebody make labas yung ano, Jel.
Right?
It's not bad. It's not
I
bad.
saw it already.
Who ate it? You?
What?
I'm looking at Justin.
That's not how you eat it. Don't
Justin, don't fork it!
pick on it.
No, because there's not
Just
shoot. There's no.
Don't look at it though.
Just don't look at it and drink. Drink.
Don't kiss it, just drink it.
I mean,
It's okay. Okay.
Give it to him.
Is it bad?
It's not bad.
as soon as it's done, then you peel the rest of it.
How do you know when it's done?
When you
There's
can't,
nothing-
there's no more juice.
There's just a little.
You can just peel it.
You just peel it.
Yeah.
Try a little bit of chicken, just...
No, have him taste the yolk first and then the
I heard the yolk tastes good.
They're all the same.
They're all the same.
Just take a bite of
You know
it.
you're not a Filipino if you don't eat that one.
Do it.
Yeah, Omid.
No, no.
I ain't get out! Who told you to go
You're not
here?
Filipino in this.
Let me know if you're courting a Filipina lady. I'm gonna tell her.
See, you give me an idea. So
Yeah.
now that you said that, then maybe Angelica's
Oh shoot!
boyfriend, before
I have
she
to eat
asks
that part
permission,
now.
I don't
since
care.
put my lip.
No, I don't care.
Tell
Just go.
him- Tell him,
Yeah.
eat balot
Just
first.
eat it.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, the juice, the juice. Drink it, drink it, drink it.
Drink it.
Yeah.
Is it sacred?
Yeah. Drink it.
No.
Drink it. That's waste.
I thought you meant that.
Oh.
That's why I was looking at that.
With whom?
Don't look at it, Jay.
Just don't look at it and bite it. Just bite it. Don't look at it.
Don't look.
No, no. I
Don't fork it.
Once you see it, you're gonna be grossed out and you're gonna...
Well, I saw what Jose did earlier. He took the yolk and then ate it.
You
Right?
didn't see what the other
Well, I was showing you how to, like, what it looks like.
Oh shoot! The juice. What?
It's too long of a video.
It's like 3 minutes already.
Okay. I'll hurry up.
Just bite it. If you don't like it, I'll eat the whole
Wait,
thing.
where's the yolk?
That's the yolk, and there's the
I can take this apart, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but just eat the whole.
Oh!
It's better to eat the whole thing. It's better to eat the whole thing because you're gonna just bite it. Just bite it. Just bite it. Is it
It
good?
doesn't even taste like anything.
Exactly. Try it. Just try it. Try it. Try
It's like
it.
red.
It's like that. Try it. Try
What
it.
did your mom tell
Try
you?
it.
Keep on picking on it. That's why you're having to just
Try
swallow it.
I was laughing
Put it in your
about it.
mouth.
It's like,
Just try it. If you don't like it, I'll eat it.
It's better to laugh about it than cry or get mad about it.
Come
I
on.
thought you said it's black. I thought you said
Take the yolk,
that
take the
one.
yolk.
This is
Just
the yolk.
eat it. Eat
Yeah.
it. Just eat the whole thing.
Yum! Yum!
So there's blood coming from
Just take
your
a little.
There you go.
Oh, see, you looked at. Don't look at it. Don't look at it. Just eat, take a little. Take a little of the chicken.
Is it still yolk?
Take a little of the chicken.
You don't want to
Just
know
eat-
what that
Just
is.
eat it a little. Eat it a little. Just eat it. Eat
I'm
it.
not. No, it's okay.
Don't bite the white part. That's too hard.
Is that yolk? It's okay.
Just eat that. Come on.
I'll
Come
make.
on.
Eat the yolk. Eat the yolk.
I'll eat half. I'll eat half. You eat half.
Let's see.
Half and half.
Is this the head?
Just don't look at it.
Ryan? People are eating here and you're eating your boy.
No.
Yeah, I'll
no.
eat it.
I tasted it, man.
I'll eat it.
No.
I'll eat it.
The yolk is okay, but
Did you eat the beak
They
yet?
said you're gonna eat it after he spits it out.
no. The yolk is how. That's the farthest I'll go. Man.